everyone say good morning. Hello. Okay, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mrs. Nozaki. Okay, how are you today? I'm very good, thank you. What is your name? Toshina. Okay, Toshina, how old are you? I'm 2. Alright, yes. Okay, hi Takuma, good morning. How are you today? Good. How? I'm very good, thank you. What is your name? My. Good, Takuma, how old are you? I'm asking you. How old are you? I'm 3. Alright. Yes, okay. Okay. Anyway. How are you today? Good. Thank you. I'm very good, thank you. What is your name? Karin, big boss Karin. How old are you? 2. Okay. Karin, big boss. Okay, Aimi. How are you today? I'm good. I'm very good, thank you. What is your name? Is good, Aimi. How old are you? I'm. Alright. Yes. Okay. Hi, Nanoha. Alright. How are you today? I'm good. Thank you. How about you? I'm very good, thank you. What is your name? My name is Nonoha. How old are you? I'm 2 years old. Alright, yes, okay. Okay, everyone, look at outside. What is the weather like today? It's sunny. Okay. It's sunny. Good job. Okay, everyone. It's sunny. It's sunny. It's sunny. It's sunny. It's snowy. It's snowy. It's snowy. It's snowy. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's windy. It's windy. It's windy. It's windy. Windy. Okay. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. Toshina, stop. Okay, look at the weather again. What is the weather like today? It's sunny. Okay. Alphabet. Alphabet first. ABC first. ABC, yes. ABC, yes. ABC, yes. Alright, everyone. E, Q, X, L, S, B, G, H, Z, F, D, W, T, O, C, A, Y, I, job. Flashcard. You have it? Good. Alright, everyone. What is this? Pear. Good job. What is this? Iguana. What is this? Deer. Okay, what is this? Skunk. What is this? Cookie. Good job. What is this? Lemon. Very good. What is this? Bear. What is this? Elephant. Good job. What is this? Giraffe. Okay. What is this? Zebra. Good job. What is this? English. Grape. Good job. Grapes. Okay. What is this? Spider. Yes. What is this? Snake. Okay. What is this? Fruits. Okay. What is this? Eagle. Very good. Okay. What is this? English. Ant. Okay. What is this? Butterfly. Good job. Sandwich. Very good. Carrot. Good job. Okay. Apple. Wow. Okay. What is this? English. Color. Good job. Okay. What is this? Vegetables. Everyone, vegetables. Okay, what is this? Lion. Okay, what is this? Egg. Okay. Banana. Very good. Corn. Okay, what is this? Tomato. Okay, what is this? Penguin. Very good. What is this? Orange. Very good. Okay. Camel. Very good. Okay. Bread. Okay. What is this? Ice cream. Very good. Milk. Okay. Not butterfly. Fly. Okay, what color? No black. Brown. Okay, what color? Green. Okay, what color? Orange. Yes. Okay. Yellow. Very good. Okay, what color? Purple. Very good. What color? White. Okay, what color? Red. Okay, what color? Blue. Good job. What color? Black. Okay, what color? Pink. Wow. Okay. All right, everyone, repeat after me. Pencil. 10. Dishes. 12. Plate. Baby. Stop. Window. Lamp. Girl. Okay, who is girl? Yes, girl. Girl and girl. Okay. Bed. Ladder. 2. 1. Woman. Oops. Uh-oh. Thank you. Yes, I'm okay. Thank you. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. 0. Crib. Crayon. Pen. Knife. Table. 11. 6. Clock. Toothbrush. 9. Chair. Quilt. Pen. Glass. Rug. Fork. 4. Children. Man. Dresser. Hammer. Television. 3. Spoon. Sofa. Chair. Rope. 8. Stroller. Door. Umbrella. 5. Broom. Hold. Boy. Okay, who is the boy? Boy. Boy. Raise your hand. Boy. Yes, your boy. How about you? Boy. Yes, your boy too. Boy. Girl, and girl. Woman. Okay? Yes. Yes. 1, 2, 3. 3 girls. And Mrs. Suzuki too. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 girls. Okay. Everyone, house. Letter. Sink. Everyone, big boys. 7. Scissors. Telephone. Brush. Disc. Mop. What is this? Not door. Desk. Okay, good job. Okay. No. Oh, monkey. Yeah, I found a monkey here. Monkey. All right. Good job, everyone. Okay. So, I know. So next time we're gonna see Miki. Okay? Not now. Okay, I'm going to read a book. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Next time we can see. Okay? Oh, you wanted me to read a mommy book? Okay, so you can say mommy's book, please. Mommy's book, please. Okay. Okay. Alright? Okay, this one, right? Mommy's. Mommy. Do you like mommy's book? Really? So we have to look for mommy. Okay. Ready? Okay, where is baby's mommy? Okay, let's find a mommy, alright? Mommy is playing hide and seek with me. Is mommy in the closet? No. No? No. Open! No! My one is in the closet. Okay, next. Is mommy behind the plant? No. No. Open. No. My bow is behind the plant. Is mommy behind the chair? No. Everyone say no. No. My kitty is behind the chair. Is mommy under the table? No. How about you? No. No. My teddy bear is under the table. Okay. Is mommy behind the shower curtain? No. Yes. No. Open. No. My rubber ducks are behind the shower curtain. Is mommy under the blanket? No. No, mommy? Yes? No? No. Ready? Open. Yes! Yes! Yes, mommy is under the blanket. The end. One more book. Okay, excuse me. Mommy says, do you want a piece for breakfast? Piece. Okay, sit down please. What do you say? No, thank you. Okay, everyone say, no, thank you.
No, thank you.
Good job. Okay. You burped. Oop. What do you say? Excuse me. Everyone say, excuse me. Okay. Daddy asked, do you want a treat? What do you say? Yes, please. Say, yes, please. Okay. You broke your sister's toy. What do you say? I'm sorry. Everyone, I'm sorry. Okay, everyone say big voice, okay? Grandma gave you an extra special gift. What do you say? Amy, thank you. Thank you, big voice, okay. Mommy and daddy tuck you in with a kiss every night. What do you say? Good night. Good night. Big voice say good night. love you. Say I love you. Okay. Mwah. Yeah. Mwah. I love you. Mwah. Alright. Good job, everyone. Okay. Let's sing Incy Wincy Spider. Okay. Yes. Incy Wincy Spider. Yes. Incy Wincy Spider. Yes. 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 Go. Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried out all the rain. And Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Okay, yes. One more time. Okay, one more time. Yes, one more. Okay, ready? Go. Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried out all the rain. And Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Good job, yes. Okay, consonants. Good girl. Okay, here you are. Alright. Yes. Can you do it by yourself? Okay. Okay. Wait. You want me to do it? Alright. Okay. Alright, everyone, ready? Okay. Let's count 1 through 20. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Okay, let's sing ABC on the 1, 2, 3. Okay, everyone, big voice, please. Okay, big voice. Okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Alright, good job. Okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Yay! Okay. Next, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Big voice, please. Okay. Sing the song. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yay! Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, Alright, everyone. Say, see